Hi pals, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. Today we're going to do something super fun. I'm super excited to show you guys. I ordered these funny little hair roller things off of Amazon. So we're going to test these out. Okay, so I've done all my normal prep work. You know, just washed and stuff. Used my 21 spray. Used some Bright & Veil Thermal Defense Spray. And I used my Aquage Curl Cream, my Olaplex number 6, and number 7. It's getting to be time that I need to do my new growth again because my hair is so dark. But I like having pink hair, so yeah, we'll get to that. So I'm going to start by sectioning off my hair, kind of like I normally do for a vintage styling thing. Usually do it just top down, but I have used these once before just to see how they kind of work, which they are very strange. I can't say whether or not they worked or not because I didn't let my hair dry all the way, so yeah. This is the weird part. This is when it gets a little funny. Oh. Well, that went better than it did the last time. I guess we're gonna fast forward through this part. This is from the mask wearing. Little baby hairs over on the side of my face and over here too are all wonky, so I guess I'll just mess with those tomorrow. Okay, so the next step is my dryer. So I'll pop that on my head for a little bit, and then I'm probably just gonna sit here and scroll through TikTok, so it's gonna be real boring. Okay, so that's a good, nice soft dry. If they still feel a little damp in the morning, I'll probably pop the dryer back on, but kerchief. I'm old, and I like old things. Ta-da! I will also link these little doodly bobs and my caps downstairs in Okay, so it's editing Tiff here. Apparently, I didn't turn my microphone on when I was recording this morning. I am a beautiful, beautiful creature first thing in the morning. As you can see, they kind of got a little floppy, but my bonnet stayed on all night. I don't know what I'm doing here. I have no idea. I'm just touching to see if they're wet still, I think, to know whether or not I'm going to need to use the dryer, which I'm talking and I have no idea what I'm saying, making weird faces. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop my dryer back on the top of my head, and we are off to the races again. Okay, so the brush out worked pretty well. I don't hate it. The curls were definitely not as tight as they get when I do a standard wet set, like with my sponge rollers and stuff, but this isn't horrible. Oh, hey, hi. So the curls held up pretty well. My hair is a little extra floofy since, this morning, but seems to be doing pretty well. I'm gonna throw it up and I'm gonna go work out, and I'll see my pals later. Bye.